Hey guys, it is nail day and I forgot to push my cuticles back last night, so I'm just sitting in the car pushing my cuticles back before I go in. You guys know how this lady goes with a drill. If you haven't heard what she does with this drill, pay attention. Okay, she gives me anxiety out the yin yang. But normally while she's drilling my nails, I'm watching a video or listening to something inspirational or looking around. I don't actually watch her drill my nails because she goes to town, okay? But I'm just pushing my cuticles back, trying to get my cuticles out of the way because I don't want to be nipped or anything. And like I said, she goes really, really fast. And just like every other nail tech, you do get probably, excuse me, a little nip from time to time, but I try to avoid it 1,000%. I cannot stand it. Try to avoid it. So I usually push my cuticles back the night before. I usually oil them and push them back. This time I'm pushing the back dry because of course I don't want to use oil in the car. Let's get a sip of this Dunkin' Donuts, y'all, and get right back to it, okay? Okay. If you haven't tried the butter pecan swirl with a shot of blueberry with your cream and sugar and whipped topping, go ahead and give it a try. But we're going to go ahead and push these cuticles back, grab our bags, go inside, and get ready for some self-care, some mental relaxation. And let's get these girls done because like I told y'all the last set, I did not like. So I was really ready to get back to the nail shop quick, fast, and in a hurry. So stay tuned. All right, and we are in the car, and I love to show you the girls when they don't have any polish on them. So we're going to go ahead and head to the house and get ready to polish these beauties. So I made it home and I am doing the girls, and I'm going to do one nail at a time because of the design that I am doing and because of the curve that I have in my nails. Wait, let me turn there we go, the flash on for you guys. I have to do one nail at a time. Otherwise, the design is just going to kind of slide and mess up a little bit. The thumb is already messed up, but I'm not going to start it over. We're just going to keep pushing. So if you want to see what I came up with, stay tuned. I'm going to show you a sneak peek. I am absolutely loving how it came out. Like I said, the black was kind of messing up a little bit, so I wanted to go ahead and get it cured, but we're going to keep going. And here is all of the items and mess that I am working with. So I am in the lab, you guys. I am in the lab. Stay tuned. All right, so here I am finishing up this hand, and what I did was I did all the colors first. I did all the colors first, one nail at a time, putting them under the lamp to cure them so that my colors wouldn't roll or swirl into the other colors. Even though now that I think about it, that probably would not have been a bad idea. We'll do that next time. I did my colors first, one nail at a time under the lamp. And then I went back in and did the stripes. And I did the stripes one nail at a time and then put it under the lamp. So I finished the stripes and I'm sticking this hand under the lamp because I don't want the black to run or move from where I placed it. I stopped doing my left hand and started doing my right hand because I knew my right hand would take the longest. And I always say I want to start with my right hand and I start with my left hand. So I stopped doing my left hand and switched over to the right hand because that's going to take me the longest since I'm right-handed. And I had to put all of these little lines on each one of these nails. And I also had to put them, let's use the word neatly. So I knew that doing my right hand was going to take me a while. So now I'm doing the other nail and you see me just going side to side, putting these black lines, and then I'm going to put that nail under the lamp. So one nail at a time, each going under the lamp. So you can imagine that this took me a while. But you know what? I don't mind. I am so happy with this set. I will show y'all in the end. I am so happy with this set. The time it took and everything is perfectly fine with me. Putting that one under the lamp, gonna let it cure for a while so that black doesn't run. And then I will do the next finger. One finger at a time. So I do see why a lot of technicians may, I call it overcharge, but anyways, charge a lot for their work, charge a lot for long nails. It takes time. It is time consuming. I respect the game. I respect their hustle. You know, I'm taking up money if I'm in your chair for 2 hours, 3 hours. I'm taking up money. So I understand the charges, but me personally, if I can do it, I'm going to do it myself. Now I'm doing the pinky. Just putting one line at a time, as you can see here, trying to be careful with that black and get it right. And then under the lamp I go. So hopefully you guys enjoy this little clip, and then I'll be back to show you the final results. All right, guys, I am done with the nails, and I have to say I do love this set. I'm a colorful person, and I found that out when it comes to my nails. The more color, the better. I was trying to give y'all some sun. I'm in Georgia, and we're having tornadoes and stuff. Rain has been in and out, but the sun is out. So I said, let me do this real quick because I did put some like glitter, some like reflective polish, even in between the animal print. And I wanted y'all to be able to see that. I don't know if y'all can see it kind of in between the animal print. My black was not playing well with me. I think my black has gotten a little old. So I'm going to have to order some more black. But I didn't want to start over again. It was really tripping when I was trying to do my thumbs, y'all. And I hate that because y'all know my thumbs are my favorites. Well, and Sassy Girl here. She's do what she want to do. I was going to do 2 rows of stones, but the stones were so big that I didn't do 2 rows of stones. And that pack of stones that y'all seen me using, I wanted to kind of use them up. I might throw them away. I don't know if I'm gonna throw them away, but because they don't bling the way I want them to bling. Like, I think that pack came from, I don't want to lie, so I don't know where it came from. It was either Ali, Temu, or Shein. And for the most part, they do have beautiful stones for the price. But that pack right there, I noticed, it's not the AB. I like the AB stones because I feel like they just give you a little bit more pizzazz, if y'all know what I'm talking about when it comes to stones. So it's getting the job done, but I wanted to do 2 rows, but I couldn't fit 2 rows of these big stones on this hand. So my inspiration, hold on. I'm going to show y'all where my inspiration comes from, because somebody said that they like when I show where I was inspired from. And I don't mind. I appreciate that. So one of my inspirations was my girl that I follow, 101 Custom Nails. I was going to try to do this design, but my black kept messing up. Hold on, y'all. I was going to do like, that's where I got the like orange on pink. I don't know if y'all can see it. She did the green on the yellow on green and the orange on pink animal print. 101 Custom Nails. So that's where I got this from. Instead of doing like brown, you know how a lot of people do brown and black animal print, she did like color on color. But my black was messing up. So I got away from that and start going another route on this one. And that one came from this page right here. But she was using powders. Like she put a blue powder. I don't know what powder that she's using. Maybe acrylic powder. But it looks like she put a blue powder. She put a pink powder. She put a green powder. She put a purple powder. She put an orange powder. And then, I don't want to play her music because it might strike me out. And then she did these stripes with the animal print. I don't know what powder that is. I have to find out. I don't mind messing with polishes. I don't want to get that messy with powders anyways. But see how she put the stripes over them? Right there. So that was my inspiration for the ones with the stripes on them. I did show y'all in the video me doing the stripes. It takes time, very time consuming. It took me over a span of 2 days to do my nails. And then, like I said, then I'm up in Georgia. So then I had to stop and record this video. So this particular video right here is taking me a minute because I got them done. Then I had to do them. And then I had to get to where I needed to get to. And then now I'm trying to show y'all the nails. So I don't know if y'all can hear, but I know some people like the sound. They are getting long. She asked me, did I want them cut down? I said no. I want to measure them and see how long they are. Once they get to 4 inches, I think I'm going to stop at 4. So once they get to 4 inches, I'll have her probably cut them down every other time. I don't want to get below 4. I can tell the difference in a lot of things that I need to do. Like I told y'all in the last video, if y'all want to know how I do certain things, let me know. But I think 4 inches is good for me. I think 4 inches is going to be really, really good for me. So these are the girls. And they are so long. I got to master how to take my pictures too, because I need to get pictures, and it's so hard for me to get pictures because I don't really know how to put my hands, and then I don't like how my pictures turn out. But I'm going to play around with it and figure that part out. But look at them. I love this. And see, that's what I'm saying. I love this set. I am learning that I'm a colorful person. I just need to keep it colorful and busy. I started to put charms on it like she did, but I changed my mind. But in the future, I may add some charm. I think I didn't do charms because I did this to these two. If I had done all of them in animal print, then I would have put some charms on some of them. But y'all let me know what y'all think. I think this was good enough the way it was. And like I said, if you're out and about and you can like see me in the sun, there is like some glitter. There's some glitter in between the, and somebody come park right next to me. Y'all know that's my pet peeve. It's like 2 or 3 spots on each side of me and you come park right next to me. That irks my nerves, Lord. I got a lot to work on, okay? Working on me. Working on me. Why? It's so many other parking spots, and I parked far away from where I'm finna go into, and people still park. I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it alone. I went underneath, did some maintenance to the underneath, cleaned out underneath, and put some more builder gel underneath, and that's gonna keep trash, keep them from being, you know, dirty or anything underneath. If I get something underneath, it's just gonna slide right off when I wash my hands. Very clean. When somebody says, can they see underneath? I know there's a stigma that we're not clean and our nails are dirty and what, lies and lies. And Lies, okay? Lies. If anything, we have to wash our hands more than y'all do. People don't think about that. They always say it's unsanitary. If anything, we got to wash and clean more than y'all do. I done seen people walk out the bathroom. Okay, we ain't gonna go there. We is not even gonna go there. Just want to let y'all know. So here are the girls. Don't forget to go follow me over on Instagram. If you don't know my nail Instagram, it is so y'all can support. A lot of you are not subscribed on YouTube, but you watch my videos. But I do have a nail Instagram. It is Long Nails with a Z, Diva. Long Nails with a Z, Diva. It is a open page. Don't get slapped on there. You can get slapped. Don't get slapped. So open page. Go on there. Tag your friends. Send your friends. Go around to all your coworkers' cubicles and tell them to follow me on my Instagram, because I'm trying to get that nail Instagram up. I may try to get the nail TikTok up. I thought they were going to ban TikTok. I'm not sure what's going on with that. But in the meantime, if y'all can help a sister out, go on Instagram, tag 4 or 5 of your friends, not on my page, on my nail page. And let's get Instagram popping. All right. Thank you guys. Everyone who follows, support, suggestions. If you have any suggestions for something you want me to try to create, you can DM it to me on my Instagram page. And if I can do it, I'll do it. Okay. If I can't do it, I'll get close. All right. I'll see y'all in the next one. So one of the questions that I did receive, it was about driving. And I know y'all saw this before about the steering wheel issue, but you didn't actually see me drive. This is how I drive. I usually have both hands on the bottom of the steering wheel inside the holes of the steering wheel, which I showed y'all before in a different video. I forgot what video that was, but if you didn't see it, it's coming. So a lot of people with long nails put their hands on the front of the steering wheel, like where I have mine now, and they drive that way. That is when they have extremely long nails, like not as long as mine, but extremely long. So for me, I can drive this way, but I don't like driving this way. I don't feel like I have a good grip on the steering wheel driving this way, but I do know a lot of my girlfriends with extra long nails, they drive that way. I put my hand here, or I will put both hands inside the steering wheel hole there and the other hand to the right. And that is how I would drive. When I'm turning, I can turn this way. Your fingernails will hit the top part of the dash when you turn this way. You just have to be careful not to catch your nail. Or sometimes I will keep my hands in the little pockets there and turn like that, one hand at a time. I have to show y'all that. You saw me just turn on the turning signal, and then I'm going to go into this is where I keep my hand. If I keep my hand in the pocket instead of going all the way around on the steering wheel, I can do that. So there's several different ways to drive. You just need to find the best way that you like, and you need to find the way that won't grab or hit your nails or make it uncomfortable for you. You don't want a steering wheel with a lot of buttons and stuff on the dash, and I know a lot of them come that way, because you don't want to be hitting, snatching or pulling or grabbing your nails. So this is a lifestyle, you guys. If you don't understand this isn't a habit or a hobby. This is a lifestyle. If you're going to wear super extra long nails, it's a lifestyle, and you find a way to do what you need to do. So any other questions? Holla at me.